In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Docs step by step. Perfect if you are just getting started. From creating documents to sharing, editing, and even using voice typing, I have got you today. So before you jump in, make sure to check in the link in the description box on the pinned comment. So let's jump right in. To open Google Docs, you have to sign into your Google account on any browser. As you can see, just click on the sign in option. Tap on the sign in and then sign into your Google account on any browser. Then click the grid icon at the top right corner to open Google Apps. If you're on phone, okay. As you can see at the top right corner, you can see this, and on the phone this is also same. You can do it. So then this will take you to the Google Docs home screen. Search for Google Docs. Here you can see this. As you can see, you can log in like that also. So here you can see the Google Docs home screen, where you will find template gallery, resumes, letters, project proposals, reports, etc. and recent documents also. Now let's view options like grid or link view from here. You can use this to grid view or sort options and option size picture, etc. You can filter this by ownership and last modified also. Okay, you can see a lot of type of templates right here: resumes, letters, personal work, sales, legal, human resources, freelancer engagement, education, and all this. To create a new doc, you have to click on blank document or choose a template. Okay, so let's tap onto blank document. Also, you can choose a new template from here if you wish to. So let's tap onto the previous made template. You can name your document by clicking the title at the top left corner. Easily, you can see you can change the name, its title easily. So name your document like this, and then tap on this got it option if it appears, and after them name your document by this, then all changes are automatically saved to your Google Drive, so you don't need to worry about hitting save. Just start typing from here. You can customize all your text if you wish to. Just start typing, and if you want to start fully fresh, you can just choose them, and then you can cut them. Here you go, then everything is gone. So let's make it back. Okay, so let's say you want to change this text, then you have to select it, and then you have to start typing the text you wish to add. For example, I wish to write something like check description. So that's it, and tap enter. Now let's say you want to change the color of your text, then choose it again, and choose the text you want to change the color. Then here you can see this option highlight color. You can highlight it from here, for example like this. So this is how you can highlight your color, and if you want to change the color of the text, you can choose it from here. If you wish to like choose the text, then go to this A text, and from there you can choose, let's change the color to black. Okay, so this is perfect. Now let's say you want to insert the images to your Google Docs. Then at the top left corner, the fourth option here, you can see this is insert. Tap onto insert, then tap onto images, and then you can upload images from your computer. Also, you can search in the ways. You can go to Google Drive for Google Photos, your camera. You can also use a link if you wish to. So for now, I will go with my computer. Like I'll upload it in my computer. Then choose the text and tap onto open here. So this is how you can add text to your Google Docs. Now you can customize it according to your wish and needs. Okay, so let's make it a little bit smaller. So this is perfect. You can also leave it if you wish to. So you can see this. Also, if you want to crop images, you can crop it from here. If you want to replace it, you can replace it by choosing from here. There are some image options available also here, so you can edit them. And now let's say you want to add a table, a drawing or chart. So for example, let's add a chart here. Okay, let's add bar chart. Wait, and here you can see the chart is added to my documents. Now you can customize it according to your wish if you want to hit. So let's tap on adjustment and then adjust it a little bit. Let's the opacity and the contrast high. So that's it. We can change the color text. We can also tap on underneath if you wish to. So that's it. Okay, let's. And if you want to use format, you can use format to change your paragraph style from here. You can go and tap on the paragraph style from there. You can tap your text style from here, and here you can see the normal text. Okay, but the previous one is better, so I'm gonna just add that. Now let's say you want to add extensions on it. You can tap on the add script, and from there you can add a script from here. Like you can merge it with another site using link. Just paste your link here, and that's it. Now let's say you want to use these tools. On the tools bar you can see various type of tools and also voice typing if you wish to. Okay, so this is how you can use it. For now let's cut the voice typing. There are also other tools available. If you wish to, you can check it out. So this is how you can use Google Docs. This is very simple and very effective. You should use the options on Google Docs, so you don't need to use any other doc site in future. Okay, now let's say you want to share your Google Docs. Then you have to tap onto this option called share at the top right corner. After clicking on it, it will be on only me by default. You have to tap on restricted, then you have to tap on anyone with the link. Then you just have to tap onto done and then copy the link, and that's it. Now you can choose if you wish to add also comments, or you can access the editor access to the people they want to view it. Okay, then you have to tap down. So that's it. This is how you can use Google Docs effectively. And if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.